Good morning to you all. It's Vibhutian Thapa from grade 5 Mahagali. Today I am here to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of computer. A computer is an electronic device. The father of computer is Charles Babbage. The computer can immediately find out the information. It can store and organize the data. It controls other machines as well. It performs various tasks. The computer is essential in every field. There are some advantages of computer. They are, without a computer, nothing can be done easily. When we feel bored, we can play the games in the computer and listening music and browsing the internet. A computer can do a lot of work or difficult work in a short period of time. It made it easier to keep records. But there are some disadvantages of computer. They are, it may prevent us from real games and it's cut our time for studies. It may cause eye problems if we continuously use it. At last, I need to tell that finally, we should sensibly use the computer for a proper work. Then we can get a lot of benefits if we use everything sensibly. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good. Very